Hey guys, okay, so I just wanted to share really quick with you guys this recipe, cookbook, junk journal, um, album that I made. I made it last week. I just haven't had a chance to share it yet. So I just did the front covers, the front and back covers with some chipboard that I have in my stash. And I just used this paper pad right here. It's the Farmer's Market by Recollections. I need to go get another one if I can find it because it is really super cute. It comes with all these tags, which you can laminate and then reuse over and over and over again. But it's got like the market list, and right here you can write down, a meal plan. You got your notes and grocery lists. Really, really, really cute. It came with 2 pages. The leftovers are either in here or put away. Really cute paper pad. I love it. The lemons, and then the mason jars, and then right here you have some more some tags, and you have some recipe cards, which, like, again, you can laminate and use them over and over. The tags do have holes already in them, so that all you have to do is cut them out and then run your ribbon. Yeah, you can see. I don't know if you can see. Yep. So, super cute. Like I said, the leftovers, if there was any leftovers, are either in here or somewhere else, but I did use those. The butterfly and the bees are cute. Cherries. And this one's really cute. It's kind of like the bottle caps, I guess. You got chocolate milk. You've got just regular milk. Pure fresh milk. It's got the milk bottle right here. I love that paper. Really cute. And polka dots. And then here's another cut apart sheet. It's got like the Farmer's Market. You're a Good Egg, which I used on the cover. And then this one's got some sunflowers on it. This one is like the wood grain, and it just says living the sweet life, and just super cute. The strawberry basket, love it. And then here's a sheet of that wood grain. And then you've got this sheet, which you can cut apart as well, which is what I did. And it's like your seed packets. You got some flowers, and you've got your vegetables. Like, here's cauliflower, and then you got peppers and radishes, pumpkins, strawberries, carrots. Super cute. Just love this paper pad. I love it so much. Then you got some apples, some more flowers, and then here's my leftovers. This, like, I call it barbecue check because it kind of looks like, but it's like the barbecue table covers. So those are my scraps, and like I said, the tags, if I did not use them, or the cut aparts, if they're not in here, then I have them put away. And so this is what I did. I just put them, put this whole thing on some jumbo bronze binder rings. I did not fill up all the way because I figured it could be added to. So that still leaves some room. Not a whole bunch, but there's still some room you can go. So this is how thick it is right now. That's pretty thick. And on the rings, I just did brown tones of laces and ribbons. We have some solids. We have this one with the polka dots. We have some lace trim, plaid. And I didn't fill it all the way up in case that way there's some wiggle room for, adding to it. So on the cover, I just did that yellow and white check, which has the chickens on the bottom. Super cute. And then I just did used one of my circle dies and did some black and white paper that I had. I just did a circle on there and layered this You're a Good Egg with the gold foil chicken on top of it. And then I just did some yellow and white flowers to go with that theme. And then I used my, oh my gosh, label maker. and did recipe book. Super cute. To keep with that red and, the white and black look. So the inside of the cover is the gold foil sunflowers. So on this page, and I did it on several pages, I just did like the basket, right, the regular paper, and then I cut out a seed packet and just glued it to make the little pocket. So that one just happens to be the carrot, and then here's one of the grocery lists. And then here's some oranges, and I just, long ago, and I should have brought that out here, long ago at the Dollar Tree when it used to be called Greenbacks, they used to have these soft covered cookbooks. They were big ones. They were, skinny ones. And they had, the recipes on like this craft, antique looking paper. So I bought like all of them. They had like 6 different designs or something. And over the years I have just trimmed out recipes, either used them and saved them, or I use them in albums or, recipe books or whatever, like I did right here. So I just kind of trimmed it out and put it on there so there's some actual recipes, and I make sure that I cut out the whole entire recipe so that nothing is missing. And then right here I just have some recipe cards from the Dollar Tree. I just poked holes on the bottom, put that there. Here is a one of those tags. This is the Farmer's Ledger with the basket of strawberries. I love that. It's super, super cute. So that. And then on this page, it just has the bottle cap of milks. And then this is just a piece that I had in my stash. I think I had printed out some recipe, cooking, kitchen, clip art a while back, last year I think. And so this is just one of those remnants, and I just stuck that there on top of a yellow doily. And then these are some of those stickers that they had out at the Dollar Tree last year. I put those on there. It's just the spoon and the fork, and it has cute little bows on it. So I put that there. And then I just made another little pocket here, and there's a From the Kitchen of tag and a market list cut out right there. And then I just put some blue and white checkered ribbon. And then on this little divider, it just has a cucumber salad recipe. And then on this side is spiced orange pot roast. And then every here and then I put a stack of lined notebook paper just to jot down some more recipes, or even paste on a recipe. So there's several there. And I like this paper because it has the wide line for the title, and then, the smaller lines for the ingredients and stuff like that. But right here in this circle, I thought it would be cute to put like the serving size right there. I thought that would be kind of cute. So there's a stack of those. And then here's one of those recipe card cutouts right here. And then this one just has that cute wood grain background cut out on some lemons. I love that. And then here I had enough room to do 2 small recipes. There's red hot gelatin and apple crumb pie. And then some more lined paper for additional recipes. This one is for cinnamon bread, and it's on that sunflower paper. And then on this side is macaroon pie. And over here, I don't think I showed this paper. Maybe I flipped too fast. This one's cute. It's orange tones, and it's got like the a pig and a chicken and vegetables. It's super cute. And then I had this, I think Megan gifted this to me last year. This craft doily and these mason jar die cuts. So I used that there. I thought that would be cute. And then this homemade right here is one of the leftover clip arts that I had from last year in my stash. This is for broccoli cheese pie. And then here's another recipe card right here. A couple there. And then I did the strawberry seed pack. And I just have Let's Eat. I figured this could be used for a meal plan. Or like if there's like a, you know, like for Christmas, there's certain things, or 4th of July. Just that's like the go-to menu because I know I have a few of those. Apple Betty pie, Parmesan blue cheese dressing. Sounds really, really good. Some more lined paper. And then here I just have this radish layered on top of I did like a corner pocket. And it just has notes and grocery list. And then for the other side of the pocket, I have the market stand and this cherry tag with some blue and red and white ribbon. Some more lined paper. And then a recipe right here for cheese pie. And then on this side I have fruit crumble. And then on the barbecue paper, I just did some seed packets, but just as just for like layers. And a family favorite, little title right there. Mocha pie. Some more recipe cards. Chicken salad log. And then on this side is country minestrone soup. And then I love this one. This one is my favorite. I love the red rooster. It's just so vintagey, and I don't know if you guys can tell. I guess you guys can. So it's all lined, kind of like an invoice. And then in the background you have shaded trees, you have the house, and then you have the big barn. And then right here is a silo. Oh my gosh, I love how you can just see the shadow of it in the background. This is my favorite. I love that. Super cute. So there's that. And then another recipe right here. This one is sirloin Chinese. Mexican potato soup. Some more recipe cards. And this one is cream of broccoli soup and sausage chowder. And we have baked chicken Reuben and turkey au gratin. And then at the end, I just have some more of those mason jar recipe cards. And then there's the back cover again with that sunflowers, and there's the front cover. That's what the paper looks like. I did cover most of the chickens up with the flowers, but that's the gist of it. So that is just my little project share with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I had so much fun making this this cookbook, recipe, junk journal, whatever you want to call it. I just love it. It's super cute. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.